I'm here at Shire Christian School for a very special day of rehearsals, workshops, getting ready for the very special Colin, that's me, and Shire Friends evening that's coming up. But lots of practice to do, and I'm catching up with prep, the infants, primary, high school, everyone. This is a remarkable event. It's never happened before in the world. I've never come to a school and put on a whole lot of my songs performed with the kids on stage with a band live so all of that is very new.
It's been about 16 to 18 months in the process, but yeah, at this school there's been such a long legacy of performance evenings and kids having incredible opportunities to share their gifts, and we wanted to partner with Colin Buchanan, who also has this incredible legacy with the school as a former teacher and as someone who has had this illustrious career in music. And it's just a no-brainer that we would join together as friends and to have a concert where we can celebrate what God's doing and also to be able to share our gifts with each other and with our community.
Jesus said, if I am weak. I've done a lot of concerts at schools over the years, and I've been a guest here from time to time, and I come and sort of do my performance thing. But I was really interested that Dave, who's as well as a great educator, he's just an instinctive lover of music as well, and he just had a really lovely vision for letting the music sort of happen in a different way, and in a way that would just sort of pull the kids into the performance rather than sort of observing the performance, making these performances, the kids are an integral part of them.
The kids have loved it, and it's been so fun to see the excitement on their faces as they get to interact with Colin, give him a high five, get something signed by him. It's been fun to see even the parents bringing in their old CDs that they recorded with him when they were kids. And then just the enthusiasm in our choirs, in our classes, to be singing and playing and making music.
High school had been primed a little by some of my songs, actually. It was really a chance for them to sort of forge into composition together, and I think it's special, and it'll teach them things about music, even if that's the only song they ever write.
It's such a privilege just to be in his presence, I just remember listening to 1098 God is Great and all of his other bangers back as a kid, and now just being able to actually meet with him and even show one of the songs that I made with one of my groups. It's just been, so amazing, and such a weird experience. Yeah, he's just such a nice bloke, so welcoming, and just feels like a really nice environment.
I can't wait. Really excited. Yeah, can't wait for the community to hear what we've been working on for the last 6 months and to see the joy in the kids' faces. I think it's going to be really fun.
Ruby, come and sit down. Kyle, come and sit down. Eve.
This is Nikki, who'll be coming next year.
And the band are good to go. 1, 2, 3.
Concert is done. The people have left, and I've just finished signing. How did today go? I think it went very well. I think the stars of the show were the kids at Shire Christian School, and I just loved singing some of my songs with them, and I loved hearing them sing other songs, and I loved hearing them sing their own songs as well. And it was very special. There's sort of two sides to a show, and that's what everyone gets, when they're sitting in the audience. I think they all had a great time. But the other side is how it feels to perform. And tonight I performed with lots and lots of people, and that side of the show was very, very special for me. And I think it was very special for all of them too. So it's been a real privilege, and I'm very grateful to be able to come and do this concert at Shire. And here's the big finish. Yippee!